Chad Fincher. I've got the blue 50 Chevy that we took some rolling shots of today. Built about 10 years ago, still rocking and rolling. Negative camber. Yeah, me and Todd. Yeah, man, negative camber out here in Arizona representing. Yeah, Joe's my boy, you know, so had to represent him too. So Todd gave me some shit not wearing his shirt, but you know, 1950 Chevy pickup truck, stock frame, box, custom front, upper, lower control arms, 95 spindle, C10 rear axle, LS engine, and air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. No, not my daily, but I could. It's my daily when my daily's broken, yeah. So I'll pull it out and rock it all the time. So
we specialize in aftermarket suspension, airbag, hot rod, etc. We do static drops, airbags, body drops, anything you want, customized, we can do it. Our coil wheels have gained significant footing in the recent couple of years. We cut the bead seed on the 22.5s because they come in 22.5s that go on semi-trucks. We cut the bead seeds down to fit a low pro tire on, allow you to put it on your 1-ton truck. I started here 3 years ago and I've cut almost 200 to 300 plus wheels. I've kind of lost count. We've sent some to Brazil, we've sent some to Germany, we've sent some to Switzerland recently. What I do, what I specialize in, what I come in to do, I do production. I face all our bushings down for our control arms, for our dually control arms that we also make in bulk. Our 88 to 98 dually conversion bag arms, my dad's been making for 25 years now. We have a C30, I believe it's an 86 C30, all diesel. There's no turbo in it, but it's all diesel. Bagging it lay frame on 24s, big holes I believe. Jason's truck from Severed Ties. This is a Rockford truck. This is a truck that everyone saw a decade ago that I even saw when I was little and was blown away. That has a big, there's a box out back with these subs that are probably bigger than my chest. They have a blow through, there's obviously a blow through. The audio in this truck is mind blowing. It's blown us all away. It really has. There's 4 amps behind the seat. How they even, it scares me because you look at it and it's, that's a lot of wires. They made it work and it doesn't amp out and doesn't do anything trippy and it sounds amazing. Typical day, we just kind of, a lot of the times we try to get little jobs in, like static drops and stuff, because we can get those done in a couple days. Probably Rocco is the closest SEMA thing we probably have, or my dad's extended cab on a stone fab frame on 24.9s, 24.15s intros. I call him Stony Boney. I love that dude. Him and my dad were always idols of each other, I guess, and they never really reached out to each other, and then all of a sudden dad needed control arms or something. Jake was from off the spot, has been just friendly. He's just a loving, adoring person. And since then, we've bought hundreds of control arms. You can find all our parts at lowboymotorsports.com. We sell our steering ends, our 14.5 steering ends for the 88 to 98s, to our watch link ends, to our steering ends from Stone. For the 88 or for the 3/4 ton 88 to 98s. We can find wheels as well on the site. You can also contact Baca at on Instagram at lowboy.wheels lowboy_wheels.parts or something like that. And talk to Baca and he can also set you up with getting wheels.
Came out of South Carolina in boxes. Ryan, 82 C30. Came in pieces on a transport. We've been pushing it around. We got it running. Full plumber wire, full stereo, wheels, tires, sheet metal work. Come along nice. We deal with a lot of people who have been taken advantage of by other shops, and one of my motivations is helping you fall in love with your truck again. It's a lot of money, a lot of time. We're not chasing money, we're chasing cool stuff. Just trying to build cool stuff. You know, we don't have to sit in a cube, we don't have to drive a Prius. Could be a lot worse. Just a day-to-day where we're smiling, healthy environment, my guys are healthy, I'm healthy. It's a quality interaction. Everybody knows that everybody's got everybody's back. Rising tides.